Welcome to the Department of Distance Learning's Canvas LMS tutorial series. In this video, we will explore how to create content throughout Canvas using the rich text editor. Every page within Canvas that requires you to enter content has what is known as the rich text editor. To demonstrate how to use the editor, today we will explore it in the context of creating an announcement. It is important to note that content entry in a page, a module, or an assignment will be done using the same text editor. On your course homepage, click on New Announcement. Give your announcement a title, and then click in the main text entry box to begin using the editor. Many of the features available in the text editor will be familiar to you, as they are common features in word processing software. The top row of features gives you the ability to bold, italicize, and underline text. You can also change the font color, change the background color, clear any formatting and return highlighted text to its default state, left justify, center justify, and right justify your text, increase an indentation, decrease an indentation, add a superscript, add a subscript, create a bullet list, or create a numerical list. When you select any of these options, a small arrow appears directly below that option to let you know that it is currently selected, like the bold option in our example, which I will use to create a text heading. Click on the bold option again to deselect it and begin entering your body text. To create a hierarchy of ideas, either through an outline process or in a list, simply click either the bullet button or the number list button and begin typing. Use the Tab key on your keyboard to increase and decrease the indentation or to make items subordinate to others in an outline format. The second row of options in the editor is where we begin to interact with tools. The first option available to us gives us the ability to insert a table. Clicking on the down arrow gives us an option to select how many cells we want in our table. We will select a 4x4 cell table. As you can see, we now have a blank table to enter data into. And we have a few table options available to us on the main page. We have Table Properties, Delete Table, Insert Row Before Current Row, Insert Row After Current Row, Delete Row, Add Column Before Current Column, Add Column After Current Column, and Delete Column. All of these options are also available by clicking on the Insert Table icon again. The next editing option is the Insert Media button, which allows us to insert video content from an external source like YouTube or Vimeo. You can either cut and paste the direct link for the video, or if you have an embed code from a site like YouTube, you can paste that into the Embed tab. The Link to URL button allows you to make any highlighted word of text in your document a hyperlink to an external site, and the Remove Link button will remove the hyperlink and leave your original text behind. The Embed an Image button allows you to import an image from an external site, embed an image you've already uploaded into Canvas, or pull in an image from the photo repository known as Flickr. If the photograph is essential to your course content, remember to provide a text description of the image as alt text for accessibility purposes. If the image is purely for decoration, click the Decorative Image checkbox. The Insert Math Equation button gives you this equation creator tool to generate an equation. When you've entered your content, simply click Insert Equation. The Arc button allows you to pull in previously created video content that you made using the Arc Video Creation tool. A more in-depth exploration of Arc and other collaboration tools will be the subject of a future video. The Google Apps button allows you to pull in content from any of the Google Apps tools that you use. The Record/Upload Media button allows you to create short video and audio recordings, as well as giving you the option to upload existing audio and video content that isn't housed elsewhere on the internet. The right to left and left to right text entry buttons allow you to customize on which side of the text entry box your text originates. The font size selector allows you to choose from a limited selection of font sizes. The text format button allows you to choose from a number of preset formatting options for your text. The accessibility checker will go through the content you've generated and make sure that it meets accessibility standards. If it finds an area where you need to make an edit to ensure accessibility, it will let you know what change you need to make. Simply make the change and then click Apply. Thank you for joining us for this overview of Canvas's Rich Text Editor.